Hello, welcome to Faith Code. So this is the second video of the Dart programming language. So to get started, you need an IDE, a place to code, right? Now, there's so many ways you could use the Dart. You could code online, like I said before, using the Dart pad. You don't have to do any extra setup. It's very easy to just start using. But now, if you only use the Dart offline, there are so many offline IDEs out there. I'm going to show you them right now. You can do Dart IDEs. Now you could see the tools by Dart. So if you're going to do mobile development, you install Flutter. If you're going to do web development, you install the Dart SDK script or server. This SDK. But we're not going to go into all of this to confuse you, right? Like we're going to teach you the simple ones you could just start using. You can only install all of these things when we are trying to teach you Flutter. But for now, don't worry about this at all. So there are other IDEs out there that are commonly okay. If you have an IntelliJ IDE, you could install the Dart plugin. We're not going to teach all of those things because we're not interested in them. Now, the Dart pad is a great no download required way to learn the Dart syntax and to experiment with Dart. This is what we're going to use. We're going to use the Dart pad. It's online and it's free, and there is nothing you have to download to just keep going. So you could just Google the Dart pad. And this is it. So when you come to the Dart pad, first thing to do is to switch. This is a sample. Like this is a very simple sample of what you could do. You could click on new pad to clear everything for you. Start changes. New pad created. So we're going to teach you all these things to do. Let's try something else today. To do string. We just do name equal to David. Print hello. My name is name. Cool. What's it gonna print out? It's gonna say hello, my name is name. What is name? Your name is David, right? So my name is David. So how do we know what to write here? What's the meaning of this $sign? What is it doing here? What are we basically doing? We're going to teach you all of these things. And now there is a language guide. So let's go back to the home page. So language tour, like right here, language tour gives you more information about the language, syntax, and the rest. So this is a tour of the language. Here you could see a basic Dart program, important concepts to learn, important concepts, keywords, variables, default value, final and constant, numbers, strings, boolean, lists, maps. All of this may just sound very funny right now. We're going to break all of these things down. But this is how, you see how I navigate Google, right? Everything you need online in this life is on Google. So whatever you have, whatever question you have, just Google it and you'd see so many resources, I promise. So we're going to take you through all of this one after the other and explain what it does and what each of them do basically. So yeah, we're going to use the Dart pad, the Dartlang.org. This is the part we're going to use. We're not going to install anything offline. So if you already know Java, Python, or whatever, it's going to be very easy to understand this language. So basically, we're just teaching you the syntaxes online, the structures, the rules, all of these concepts you need to learn. And something else you need to understand is the Dart is an object-oriented programming language. You don't need to know what this means right now. We're going to explain all of these things to you. We're just trying to get started, right? We're just trying to go. So now, like you saw, you could use Android Studio, you could use IntelliJ, etc for offline coding. But for now, you need to have internet, you need to have power to be able to learn. I mean, this is the way we structure this course, just to make it easy for you, because you don't want to go through the stress of installing plugins, installing the IDEs, SDKs, and the rest of them to run this. Now, you're using Dartpad to learn the Dart language, and it's going to be online. So this is the second video here. We're going to come back again to get started. The next video is going to explain everything for you, what all of these things do, what they mean, what you could do with Dart, all of those things. So yeah, enjoy, and then Google a lot, like, to find out more. You could do what could I do after learning Dart, how many people are using Dart, all of those things there. So see you next time.